area of the square shown at the right is 9g squared plus 12g plus 4 centimeters squared. Find an expression for the length of the side. Basically, they're getting fancy with us.
Oh, yes, let me put on my monocle. I think they're just asking me to factor 9g squared plus 12g plus 4. Yes.
The good thing about knowing it's a square is you know both of the sides will be equal, right? So what you can do is just, if you know the area of a square, you could just square root the area and get the sides. But here we have like 3 parts of it. So let's check. Can we square root the first term? Can you square root 9g squared? Yeah. What's the square root of 9? 3. So we'd say 3g. Can you square root the last term? 4. Yeah. Square root of 4 is 2. If I multiplied 3g times 2 and then multiplied that by 2, would I get 12g? I don't know. 3g times 2 is 6g times 2 is 12g. What? So it'd be 3g plus 2 squared. Now this would be the factored form. They're asking for just, how could you write the length of one side? So one side would be the 3g plus 2. I'd rather have the 3g plus 2 squared, showing that you can actually factor it. But no big deal. I don't write math textbooks, so they're not asking me. All right, let's try a few more. These are all perfect squares because you can square root the first term, you can square root the last one. Square root of 9g squared, we just did it, 3g. Square root of 4, we just did it, 2. The only difference is that first symbol, which does make a difference because that's the one that goes in between them. So it'd be 3g minus 2 squared. 3g times negative 2 is negative 6g times 2 is negative 12g. Hey. You could also factor these the long old way, and then you would get 3g minus 2 times 3g minus 2, and then just shrink it down to 3g minus 2 squared at that point. Okay. Can you square root the first term? Yup. Can you square root the last term? Yup. Square root of 4t squared is 2t.
Oh, yes, I have my Earl Grey and my morning breakfast blend. 2t.
A little slap at me. It's late in the day. Square root of 81 is 9. You put the first symbol between them. Double check. Is 2t times 9 times 2 36t? Yes, it is. 2t times 9 is 18t times 2 gives you that 36t. That's one of these. 4t squared. Oh, it's the same thing, except all they did was change it to minus. So it would just be 2t minus 9 squared.
Oh, that's just too easy. Yes,